Good morning, Simon here from Perfect Pools. Well, we're doing another pool. Normally I'm very excited. In this case I'm not so excited because you know what, sadly to say, this customer was taken for a ride. She found a guy on Facebook. He happened to actually use my name or my company and Perfect Pools as a claiming he's a subcontractor for us. And I can tell you now we don't use subcontractors, just for future reference. Got in, did a job that was supposed to take 3 to 4 working days. Been here busy for 14 days, almost 2 weeks. And yeah, really bad. I'm going to show you what it ended up. We are here now to fix it and try and help the customer to sort it out. So yeah, normally I would say before you pick and choose a guy, make sure number one that they're reputable. And the quick way is if they've got premises, know where they are. We've got 3 shops. We can't run away with deposits and money. The other thing is, I mean, the guys are branded. We try and use company clothing and look the part as well. Make sure that it's an NSPI member company. You know what, a lot of people say NSPI what? You know what, the reason why I'm a member of the NSPI is because there's a community of people, colleagues in the industry, and we keep ourselves accountable in the industry as well. So you know what, it's a backup for you. But anyway, stop talking. I want to show you the inside of the pool, the before, and then I'll take you on the journey of renovating this swimming pool here in Durbanville. But I mean, you've got to look at the view here. Fantastic, beautiful house, beautiful garden. I'll take you inside the pool. Stay tuned. I'm back here inside the pool, and you can see here. This is what you see here. We just drained the pool. There was a bit of water here. 2 weeks to do this. I mean, anyway, I'm not going to talk about other companies. We are going to redo this whole pool, sand it down, take out. There was a big hollow wall or a hole underneath here with a water pocket at the bottom. Apparently, according to the customer, they just nicked 2 holes through it, stepped on it and said, hey, the water is out, it's all sorted. It's not sorted. The fiberglass lining is still loose. There's some sort of groove here. I don't know if you can see it, which is about a centimeter thick, and I don't know why it's there, but anyway, we're going to fix it and sort it out here. The guys are busy here. There's also a hole there. Just knock there quickly and show the customers there what is in there. Just knock. You can hear it's completely hollow. We need to remove it. This is the right side, so we're going to sand this down and get it sorted. The step area here, we're doing that also for the customer. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to take you with us on the journey. Sorry for the long video, but I really wanted to tell you and be careful. So I'll see you on the other side. Enjoy. I'm back in Durbanville, and we are finished with the swimming pool. Came out quite nice, and we'll take you some before and after pictures. Oh, there's a video, it should be in there. And yeah, if you're interested in getting your pool relined by a reputable company, click the link or follow us on Facebook and YouTube and so on. You'll get us. Just Perfect Pools, just Google it, you'll get us. From my side, have a great day. We'll see you later in the next video.